Tension is mounting in Sepahijala district as the Indigenous Land Protection Committee and several civil society organizations have joined forces to fiercely oppose the formation of the Bishramganj Nagar Panchayat. In a crucial meeting, MLA Sobodh Debbarma, leaders and local citizens voiced strong objections against the state government's decision leveling the inclusion of ADC Village Committees into the urban body as illegal and unconstitutional. The Joint Committee raised several points of contention regarding the government's recent notification. Speakers argued that the inclusion of areas under the 6th schedule into a Nagar Panchayat is legally untenable. Critics pointed out that while a demarcation exercise was scheduled for February 6, authorities failed to produce results. Specifically, they alleged that SDM Binki Saha could not present a clear area-based map to verify the boundaries. Despite repeated protests and formal objections from tribal leaders, the government proceeded with a declaration and moved protesters described as a forceful occupation of indigenous land. The meeting concluded with a resolute action plan to challenge the government's move. A massive protest rally and deputation will be submitted to the District Magistrate of Sepahijala, Dr. Sidat Sip Jaiswal, on February 20. The ILPC has officially decided to move the High Court, seeking a legal stay and a permanent solution to protect the jurisdictional integrity of the District Council.
February 2026, Tangnai Soitari February joint demarcation Kanya Tongman Aldino state government in SDM Bokuno authentic map of Nungmayangadin demarcation Malia Bon Paris and Aldino Indigenous Land Protection Committee in Kasakaka Kamanin Tinioro some Kaisa Coxa Panani Kaleka. Koksak Pandao, Kaimani Bishing Tisomon, Sazaka, Adino Maharaj, Cyclanka, court case Kanya, Gamun, Saranta, court case Kajagrame Puya. Okay, Sonora Zona, Asogi, MLA Tongo, MDC Tongo, Sinoro, ILPC, Chairman Tongo, Bormon Bishing, the Burma, Joint Convener, Suron, the Burma, Joint Convener, Umasonko, the Burma MDC, Tayaro, Civil Society, Tayara Social Worker from Mayo. Somora Makan Cox High Sabunya Laka, the Pinai Bistari Nipisingo, Kaisa Somora, DMO Kaisa Movement Deputation to Zaknai, Abo Udunaga Chinai, District President, Tipra Motha and the District President, Bunny meeting, Bin Udugan meeting Muzagi, Abo meeting Muzagi, Deputation to Zakchinai. Tainka ILPC Ningai, Indigenous Land Protection Committee Ningai, Kanaba Son in Bisingo, Kaisa case research Kanan Buki, Somora Coxa Laka. Abuni bagai joto sini saat Tipra Borok tabu conscious ngani bagai jadi sini ha jaga nawi se ko Nagar Panchayat khana ni kok kalai chongai no jaga on belai serious matter obo has gamana nai on goto joton khadu khuna nai abun bagai no baksa ni chongmano obo Bishramganj simi Nagar Panchayat najang naibla sengnar area la kono khaje gya Aba hin tondore ek samoyo aba hi bunazagi mano bon bagino sing belai serious matter nawi omno sensitive nawi sing boni bagai joton khana nge agogi phanen bagai ang kobong namu sumu ngai sing tino ma kan salai ko kurula kya je buskang bistaring bisingo kaise meeting asugui DM no deputation nawi movement khanen bagai Tipra Motha ni district ni committee ni ngai district ni president bon meeting ngai tai ka ILPC ni ngai Indigenous Land Protection Committee ningai abo case register khanyani bagai abo khana soni ni bisingno abo process khajaknai ni abo hinni singsing sidan tonglai aso jarkan thin paile gre khata hai
bo thayo asulai no routine
amo tini promoter community hall.
The meeting saw a high-profile gathering of indigenous leadership, including MLA Sobodh Debbarma, Bishing Debbarma Chairman, ILPC and Suran Debbarma Convener, ILPC and Braza Debbarma Civil Society representative. The atmosphere in Bishramganj remained charged as the community prepares for the February 20 showdown. Reporter Bajiwan from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.